discuss about WH family. Do you know WH family?
Yes.
WH family means the words which we use to ask a question. For interrogative sentences, I use WH family. Let's have some word like the word which start with W. It's what, why, where, when, who. Let's firstly discuss about these five words. The meaning of word is yeah. It means I want to know the identity. What is this? I want to know the name. What is this? This is a pen. So if I want to know something about, then I can use. What is this? This is a computer. What is this? This is a whiteboard. I want to know the identity of a thing, of a person, then I use what? Are you getting? Second, why? Why is used for where I use why? Why is used to know the reason behind something. Why you are crying? Why you are shouting? Why you are sitting silent? Why you are going there? What do I mean? I want to know the reason behind it. I want to know the reason behind it. What is the reason that why you are doing this kind of thing? Are you getting my point? Let's go to the third. It's means where. Where means kahan. I want to know the place. Definitely. Identity, reason, and I want to know the
Place.
when I use where, it means I want to know the place. Where are you going? Where are you sleeping? Where are you? What I want to know.
Place.
So where is used for to know the place. When? When is used for
Cup.
cup. Cup is used for calendar time. I want to know the calendar time. I want to know the date. When you are returning home. When you are going to Mumbai. When will you go outside? Especially for calendar time, but I can also use for watch time. Is like when you are coming, I will come on at 3 p.m. or 3 a.m. like that. So I want to know about calendar time or time. Before both I can use. Clear? Who? Who is used for
Go.
con? It means they want to know
Person.
who's the person. I want to know a person. Who's your brother? Who's your father? Who's your manager? Who gives you money? Who gave you money? Who killed Rahul? I want to know
Person.
the person. So they have different types of things. How to use the reason behind it. Specific things, and these are called pronouns. What do we call these?
Pronouns.
Okay, WH family is a part of pronoun. Like what, why, where, when, who, and one more thing, how. That's right here. How means? What do you mean by how? How are you? Means I want to know the welfare or condition or a situation of a person. Then I use how. Clear? I want to know the way that how you are doing this. How are you? How is your father? How is your father? How is your sister? Clear? means welfare, condition, situation. How is the person? Are you getting my point? This is used how. One more.
Whom. Whom.
Which is used for कौन सा and I want to know, I have 2 or 3 options, but I want to know which is your class. There are many things, but I am confused, but I want to know which is your class, which is your pen, which is your book. Clear? In which class do you read? There are many classes, so in which class do you read? In which school do you read? Are you getting? Which is used to know that Monsa. For a separate time, I can use what time? Like it's for watch time. When for calendar time. So if I want to know the timing, that what time do you wake up early in the morning? What time do you go for your class? What time do you return from office? So I want to know watch time. For watch time I use one. Are you getting my point? Next. How many? It's used for kitne, the number. I want to know the number. And it is used for countable things. How many is used for countable things? I want to know the number. How many friends do you have? How many books do you have? How many rooms are there in your house? Are you getting my point? So how many is used for numbers? I want to know the number. Like how many notes do you have? How many mobiles? How many YouTube channels? Clear? Next. We will touch it. How much? How much is used for same process but uncountable thing. I don't want to know the number, I want to know the quantity. This is used for uncountable things, like how much water is there. Okay, how much money do you have in your account? Money is not countable, that is why I will use how much money do you have. Are you getting? How many rupees are there in your pocket? But how much for uncountable? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So just revise all those things and prepare sentences with you. Thank you very much. Okay, let's move ahead. It's one more. Whose. Whose means, if I want to know whose pen is this, whose mobile phone is this, it means इसका और it means I want to know owner or belongs to someone. So here it is talking about whose marker is this, whose shirt is this, whose house is this. I want to know the person, I want to know the owner, I want to know the things belongs to someone. Clear? Whom? Whom do you meet yesterday? Whom did you meet yesterday? किसको मिलेगा? Clear? Whom did you give money? आपने पैसा किसको दिया? Are you getting? To whom is used for किसको. I can use to whom. one more. Like in which, I can use in which class do you read? So with which I use in, with whom I use to. For which I will use in which class do you read? And at some places I use to whom. Do you have examples? Clear? Thank you.